Listen to this carefully. If you want to speak real English, you need small idioms like these. These idioms are short, simple, and people actually use them in real life. So don't skip, because every idiom today is easier than the previous one. Let's begin. Idiom 1. No pressure. Meaning, don't stress. Example, take your time, no pressure. Example, say it slowly, no pressure. Idiom 2. I'm in trouble. Meaning, I'm stuck or in a bad situation. Example, he forgot homework. He was in trouble. Example, she came late and was in trouble. Idiom 3. Count on me. Meaning, you can trust me. Example, need help? Count on me. Example, you can count on me anytime. Idiom 4. Not anymore. Meaning, it used to be, but not now. Example, he liked gaming, not anymore. Example, she worked there, not anymore. Idiom 5. Can't wait. Meaning, very excited. Example, trip tomorrow. Can't wait. Example, new phone coming. I can't wait. Idiom 6. That's unfair. Meaning, not equal or not right. Example, he got extra time. That's unfair. Example, she stayed, he didn't. That's unfair. Idiom 7. For a reason. Meaning, not random. Example, he said it for a reason. Example, things happen for a reason. Idiom 8. Not too sure. Meaning, doubt or not confident. Example, good idea. Not too sure. Example, she come. Not too sure. Idiom 9. I'm used to it. Meaning, I adapted. Example, waking early. I'm used to it. Example, cold weather. I'm used to it. Idiom 10. What a joke. Meaning, something silly. Example, that price. What a joke. Example, rules. What a joke. Idiom 11. Take a risk. Meaning, try something risky. Example, she took a risk and won. Example, he took a risk and applied. Idiom 12. Makes sense. Meaning, logical or correct. Example, go early. Makes sense. Example, leave now. Makes sense. Idiom 13. Stay strong. Meaning, don't break down. Example, hard times. Stay strong. Idiom 14. Talk less. Meaning, speak less. Example, talk less, work more. Example, teachers told him to talk less. Idiom 15. Think twice. Meaning, think again. Example, he thought twice before saying. Idiom 16. Take a chance. Meaning, try something. Example, apply. Take a chance. Example, he took a chance in business. Idiom 17. Doesn't matter. Meaning, not important. Example, late again. Doesn't matter. Idiom 18. Good luck with that. Meaning, hope it works for you. Example, exam tomorrow. Good luck with that. If you watched till here, that means you really care about improving your English. And trust me, small idioms like these make a big difference. Now, one small thing. Before you go, write one idiom from this video in the comments. It looks small, but when you comment, your brain remembers better, and YouTube also knows that you enjoyed the video. If you are new, subscribe to Abhishekwithenglish. And if you already subscribed, please like and comment, because when you interact, YouTube sends the video to more people, and we all learn together. See you tomorrow.